Long multiplication, the traditional method. Long multiplication is for multiplying by numbers greater than 9. We will show you the three main methods, the traditional method in this video, and two separate videos covering the lattice method and the grid method. Have a look and see which way you remember best or which you find easiest. We look at 27 times 36 done in these three different ways. Using the traditional method, which is the most common among adults in the UK, we'll do 27 by 36. You start with the units digit of the number you're multiplying by. 6 times 7 is 42. Write down the 2 and carry a little 4 into the tens column. 6 2s are 12, plus the little 4 is 16. Write the 6 in the tens column and carry the 1 into the hundreds column and write it there. So that's the answer for 6 times 27. Now you multiply by the 3 in the tens column. This is really 30. You start by putting the answer in the same column as the digit you're multiplying by, the 3 in this case. You will have effectively multiplied by 10 by moving all the digits along one column to the left, and you put a 0 in the units column. So, multiplying the numbers in the top row by the 3, you do 3 times 7, which is 21, 1, carry a little 2. Now 3 times 2, which is 6, plus this 2 here, which gives 8. Now add these two numbers together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 8 is 9. And that's the answer. It's 972. Here are two more worked examples using this method. Here is 314 multiplied by 27. Starting with the 7 in the units column, 7 times 4 is 28. Write down the 8 and put a little 2 in the tens column. Now 7 times 1, which is 7, plus this 2 here, making 9. Now 7 times 3, which is 21. Write the 1 in the hundreds column and the 2 in the thousands column. Now we need to multiply by the 2, which represents 20 because it's in the tens column. So you remember, first of all, you write down a 0, so that the answer starts in the tens column underneath the 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. The next thing to do is to add these two columns together. 8 plus nothing is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Write down 7 and carry a little 1. 1 plus 2 plus this little 1 is 4. And lastly, 2 plus 6 is 8. So that's the answer, 8,478. Here's another example, 304 times 15. Start with the 5. 5 fours are 20. 0, carry 2. 5 times 0 is nothing, plus 2 is 2. 5 threes are 15. 5, 1. Now we multiply the 10. We put a 0 there, which moves the digits along. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times nothing is nothing. 1 times 3 is 3. Now you just have to add these two lines. 0 plus 0 is still 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus nothing is 5. And lastly, 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's the answer, 4,560. Note that in this last example, there are 2 zeros in the units column to be added. This is because 4 5s are 20. This traditional method, sometimes called the standard method of multiplication, is the most commonly used in the UK.